no. What? 2 more eye makeup removers. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the Sephora Advent Calendar for 2019. This is the Frosted Party. And it came like this. I didn't open or whatever. We all know last year's was pretty darn bad. So this I paid was $45. It's actually on sale now at Sephora for $22.50. So if you want to see what's in here, is it better than last year? Was it worth the $45? Why is it $22.50? If you want to know, then just stay tuned. All right, so it opens up, well, it looks like this. I think the packaging's really pretty. Let me move over a little bit. And you open it up and it opens like this, and you have from day 1 to, I believe, 24. Right there. And if you don't know what Advent calendars are, some of them are like 12 days, some are 24 days, and you're supposed to start like on December. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong side. Over here. I got a new camera and I got to remember now to look over here. And you are supposed to, like you would start December 1st. And then at night, if you have the 24, before you go to bed, you open up the last one. And usually, typically, the last one is supposed to be the best one. So we shall see. So let's just start opening it up, and hopefully it's a lot better. And like I said, I paid $45 for this because I got it a while ago. I just had some personal things that have been going on. I haven't had a chance to unbox it. So let's start from number 1. So this right here is number 1. So let's see what's in here. All right, so the first thing is a Sephora brand. I believe these are the lipsticks that came out. I don't remember how much they are, but I've never tried this and I wanted to try, and the color is beautiful. Really, really, oh, that's gorgeous. That is so pretty. All right, so far, I'm definitely excited to get this. And I like bullet lipsticks rather than liquid lipsticks, so I'm excited for that. All right, day 2. Where you be? Right here. This is day 2. So let's see what is in there. This is, what is this? Maybe a bath bomb? Sephora bath bomb. It's shaped as a star. All right. Number 3. It's right here. So let's see what's in there. All right. So this is an Express Eye Makeup Remover Wipe. So you get one. You get 1 or 2 in here? Let's see. I think 2. Yeah, you get 2. Good. 1 for each eye. I don't know how I feel about this because, like I said, I did pay $45 for this, but maybe it gets better as it goes on. So let's just keep going. It's only day 3. All right, day 4. This is the hard part. Okay, right here. This is day 4. So let's see what's in there. This is a pineapple nose mask. 1 nose mask. All right. Day 5 is right here. This is, let's have fun. What are you? Not sure what this is. Maybe some kind of lotion or something. When I get done unboxing it, I'll look it up and tell you what that is. All right. Day 6, right here, this little thing right here. And this is a Sephora lip liner. I wish, because this is Sephora's brand, that they would have a full-size item. This is really pretty, really pretty. I like that. And even though this is a small sample, this will last you for a while. Okay. Day 7. Where's day 7? Right here. It's day 7. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is like a little bracelet. What? is one of those, let me open it up for you. You gotta be kidding me. Now that it's on sale for $22, okay, but it's, I mean, this is one of these, or maybe it's a hair tie. I don't know. Let's just keep moving on. And let's see. I think we're on day 8. Yeah, day 8 is this big boy right here. Hopefully that's something better. No. What? 2 more eye makeup removers. So why would they give us like 2 of the same things? I'm not trying to be negative, guys, but $45. It's like, where's a brush? Or, okay, let me move on. Number 9, because I don't know, maybe there is. All right, 9. Where the heck is 9? Oh, right here. This little one right here. All right, so we have a little makeup shimmer. So Sephora brand, like a highlighter or maybe an eyeshadow. Right there. Okay. Day 10 is right here. Looks like another bath bomb. Another Star bath bomb. All right. Day 11. Right here. Come on. Oh no, it fell. Hold the phone. This is, it looks like a black eyeliner. Let's see. Yeah, a mini black eyeliner, which I do like their eyeliners. I think they really are creamy. This one's not so much, but it is a nice, it's really black, so I'll definitely use that. All right, let's see. Day 12. It's a small one right here. What in the heck is this? Oh, did I break it? No, I think it's a pin. Okay, I didn't break it. All right, so let me put that down. So this is a little penguin pin. See, comes, that's the back. Did I break it? No. Okay, I'll fix that when I'm done. Guys, I mean, $45. I don't know. Let me know if I'm overreacting, guys. All right, what number was I on? I'm so surprised of the pin. What number was I on? 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's go to 13. So this is a bigger one. Okay, so this is another 2-pack of, this is a nail polish remover wipe. Okay, 14. Right here. This is another, I think, lotion. I'll look these up to see what this pink and this red thing are. All right, 15. All right, we have another, this is a lip mask. You know, let's see. 16. Right here. And a nail filer. Okay. 17 right here. Is, it looks like nail decals. Right there. Let me put this down so I can show you. Right here. So this is nail decals right here. Sorry, my daughter walked in. She just got here. We're going to film some videos, so I'm almost done. All right. And what number was I on? See, I keep getting confused. 17. So I think I'm on 18. Yeah, right here is 18. And this looks like Sephora A. I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. Oh, a nail polish. Little tiny nail polish. Which I'll put this on my toes. Okay, so that won't go to waste. All right, I think we're on 19, right? 19 is right here. Another mask. This is a charcoal nose strip. Number 20 is right here. Now, what is that? Hold on, dropped it. Okay, so this is like a little mirror, but it is a penguin. All right, 21 is right here. And another mask. This is an eye mask. 22 is up here. This is a clear hair tie. 23 is another lipstick. So it's basically all skincare. This is shaped like watermelon. Well, not shaped, but oh, that's pretty. What is that? Watermelon. Oh, it's a lip balm. Let's see if it has any pigment. Good. Okay, just very little. Oh, and it smells like watermelon. All right, I like that. And 24 should always be typically like the best thing in here. So let's see. Okay, so we got a full-size liquid lipstick right there. All right, so that's everything in the advent calendar. So on the back tells you what everything is. Because right before I did the video, I took everything out of the packaging, so I didn't know what was in here. So, and I didn't want to, so this right here is a melting shower jelly. And then the pink one is a melting shower jelly. And the stars are the bath fizzing stars. So they are bath bombs. So let's recap what we got. You know, we got like a whole bunch of sheet masks. We have two of the same thing are the eye makeup removers. Then we have a nail polish makeup remover. We have a couple bath bombs. We got a nail polish. We have the only makeup are these two, a lipstick and a lip balm. And then we have a liquid lip. We did get like a little mirror, a little pin, two hair ties. Listen. This is not worth $45. I mean, I don't know typically how much these are a piece, you know, but usually with advent calendars, you pay, it's kind of like subscription boxes, right? You pay and you expect a little more, or maybe even if it's even, like I wish they would do, since a Sephora brand, like put a full-size lip liner or a full-size eyeliner, or maybe one, even if it's a blending brush, you know? I just don't think these Sephora advent calendars are worth it. Like I said, they are on sale right now for $22.50. Maybe I don't even think it's worth $22.50, but maybe it's a lot. I would pay $22.50 before I would pay $45. So this might be like a great gift to give somebody for the $22. I don't think I would ever pay full price again for these advent calendars because they typically go on sale anyway and they don't sell out. But I'm not trying to be negative, but I just do not think it is definitely worth $45. I have a hard time paying $22 for this. But comment down below, what do you think? Do you think like Sephora brand should, you know, have at least one full-size item in it? Could they spare that? I don't know. But this is really bad. I did unbox a couple other advent calendars. I will leave them down below. They were actually pretty good. So I did a Bare Minerals, the Target one. I think I did the Ulta one. I'll leave everything, like I said, down below if you want to check them out. But let me know what your feelings are, what you think of this. let me know. And that's everything, guys. If you like advent calendars or mystery boxes or subscription boxes or anything to do with beauty, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future giveaways and videos. I meant to say videos, but I do have a giveaway going on right now. It is with the Lunar Beauty. And guys, rate the video, so either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Let me know. Thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Let me know whether or not you like this advent calendar. So if you think this advent calendar sucks, give me a dislike. Let me know. And don't forget to let me know how your day is going. That's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. I'm going to film a few videos with my daughter, so stay tuned for that. And real quick, if you're wondering what is on my eyes, I am wearing the Huda Beauty, the new nude palette that my friend Lisa Smith got this for me for my Christmas gift. And I love it. I love it so much. So thank you, Lisa. All right, guys, that's everything. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.